In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and insert emojis in Google Docs. If you want to make your document feel a little more expressive, visually engaging, or just easier to scan, adding emojis can be a simple and effective touch. Google Docs includes a built-in emoji picker, so you don't need to copy and paste emojis from another website. Everything can be done directly inside your document in just a few clicks. To get started, open your Google Doc, make sure you're in the document where you want the emoji to appear, and place your cursor in the exact spot where you want to insert it. This is important because the emoji will be added wherever your cursor is currently blinking. You can place it in the middle of a sentence, at the end of a heading, or on its own line, depending on how you want it to look. Once your document is open and your cursor is in position, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This menu gives you access to different items you can add to your document, including images, tables, special elements, and in this case, emojis. After clicking Insert, move your mouse over symbols. You don't need to click right away if a submenu appears when you hover. Just pause over symbols and another menu will open with additional options related to characters and symbols you can place in your document. From that submenu, click on Emoji. This will open the emoji picker inside Google Docs. The emoji panel makes it easy to browse available options without leaving your document, which is helpful if you want to keep working quickly. Now, choose the emoji you want to add. You can click directly on an emoji if you see the one you need right away, or you can use the search bar to find something specific. For example, if you want a smiley face, a thumbs up, or a calendar icon, searching can save time. You can also scroll through the available emojis if you'd rather browse visually and see all your options. As soon as you click an emoji, it will be inserted into your document where your cursor was placed. If needed, you can continue adding more emojis the same way. A helpful tip is to use emojis sparingly so your document stays clear and professional, especially if it's for school, work, or formal sharing. And that's how to use and insert emojis in Google Docs.